Now we'll learn to find out quartiles, deciles and percentiles of a dataset. If the terms in a series are arranged in ascending order of their magnitudes, then those values of the variable that divide the total frequency into 4 equal parts are called quartiles. That is, if the dataset is distributed like this, then the values which divide this into 4 equal parts, that is firstly half, this one and this one, these are the quartiles. So you can see there are 3 quartiles denoted by Q1, Q2 and finally Q3. The second quartile coincides with the median. You can see that this is the mid value. The lower quartile is the point such that 1/4 of the total frequency is less than Q1 and 3/4 is greater than Q1. Note that median divides the dataset into 2 equal halves, thus coinciding with Q2. We have already noted that. Now the determination of quartile for raw data. If I is 1 or 2 or 3, there are 3 quartiles, and n is number of values, that is the total frequency, then the ith quartile, that is the first or the second or the third quartile, is this value, that is I into n by 4th value plus I into n by 4 plus 1th value and their arithmetic mean, that is their average. You can see that this is multiplied by half when I into n by 4 is an integer. Or the ith quartile is the next integer value of I into n by 4, where I into n by 4 is not an integer. So if there are 23 values, then the first quartile will be the next integer of I into n plus 4, that is 6th value. The second quartile will be I into n by 4, that is 12th value, and the third quartile will be 18th value, because you can see that 3 into 23, 69 by 4, that is 17.25. So the next integer is 18. This is the third quartile. Remember, this is not the value of quartile. The 6th value in ascending order will be the first quartile, and so on. For deciles, that is there will be 9 deciles. Obviously there are 3 quartiles and 9 deciles, and they actually divide the total frequencies into 10 equal parts. And in a similar way, the percentiles, they are related with cent. The word cent means 100, so percent means per 100. So you can just derive that the percentiles will divide the dataset into 100 equal parts. Note that the second quartile is equal to the median. We have already established that, and also it is the 5th decile and the 50th percentile. All of these quantities divide the total frequencies into 2 equal halves. So how to determine the decile and percentile? Actually it is similar to the quartile. You can see for the quartile we just took here the value 4, and for decile and percentile we are just taking here the value 10 and the value 100. All other things are same, and also the value of I for quartile were 1, 2 and 3, but for decile it is from 1 to 9, and for percentile it is from 1 to 99. So I hope I do not have to read out these formulas again. These are same as quartile, and just you can see this in your lecture slide, or you can pause the video and write it down. Now example, numerical example. Here are the marks in stat 201 obtained by 20 students in a semester. Actually, we have taken these values randomly, so do not worry, you might get more or less. So firstly, we will find out first and third quartiles, and then third, sixth and eighth deciles, and finally these 4 percentiles. First, we arrange the data. You can see now they are in ascending order, 33, 45 and so on, 72, and after that it starts from the left again, so 74, 75 and up to 99. Here n is 20. So the first quartile for I equal to 1, it is 5. So the first quartile will be 5th plus 6th value and their average. So it is 61.5. Similarly, for the third quartile is not calculated here. We can calculate it easily. It will be 3 into 20 by 4, that is 15. So 15th plus 16th by 2, which is actually equal to this is the 15th and this is the 16th, and their average will be, you can see, 87.5. so this is our third quartile. And for sixth decile, you just have to input the value in the formula, that is I is equal to 6 and n is 20. So 6 into 20 by 10, 12. It is also an integer. So the sixth decile will be the average of 12th and 13th value, which is actually 75.5. And for percentile, this is not an integer, the next integer is 8. So the percentile will be 8th value, which is 68.